Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Zorto back here with a brand new video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how you guys can game share with your friends on Xbox One in 2020. So let's just jump right into the video, guys, and let's begin. So there's a couple great reasons to game share, one of which is cheaper for both of you. You don't need to buy Xbox Live for both of the accounts. Basically, any game that you buy digitally, the other person will also get. So if I was sharing my Xbox with a buddy of mine, for example, which I am, he buys Xbox Live. He has it till like 2022, I think. So I basically don't have to buy Live for 2 full years. And any games that he buys online, like digital copies of it, I also get for free, and vice versa. Any games I buy digitally, for example, he gets as well. But this does not work if you were to go buy a hard disc. The disc you cannot game share. It has to be a digital copy of the game, and there's so many good reasons to do this. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it right now. Okay, so what you're gonna do is make sure you're on your friend's account. Okay, either have him log in, get him to send you his email and password as long as he trusts you and stuff like that. Just get him to log in yourself, and what you're gonna do is you're going to go to your settings. So go to your settings. You're going to go to General. Go over to personalization, and then it's going to say down here, My Home Xbox. Okay, you're going to click My Home Xbox, and you're going to make this My Home Xbox. So you want on your Xbox that you own at your house, you want to make your friend's account the owner of that Xbox. Okay, so basically on this Xbox is going to be your friend's home Xbox, basically, but you're going to play on it. Okay, so once you click that, you'll basically be good to go. And then your friend's going to do the exact same thing. Okay, it's very, very simple, guys. I'm not going to click it because mine's already perfectly set up, so I'm not going to deal with it. But yeah, once you click this button, you'll be good to go, guys. It'll be perfect, all right? So yeah, that's all for the video, guys. If this helped you out, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Leave a like down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.